And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 16. Let me show you how you can create dashed outlines. We create a rectangle and I've just left clicked here on the X to get rid of the fill, and then I hold shift and click on a black color swatch to have a stroke color. Let's go to Object, Fill and Stroke. Under Stroke Paint you can adjust the color. I've shown you all of that in my playlist so far already. Let's switch to Stroke Style and we'll increase the width, which is the thickness of the stroke. Let me set that to pixels and I'll make it 10. So far so good. The new stuff is right here. It says dashes down below the width and you get a drop down where you can pick the faults. The pattern below it will then have different numbers and I'm going to talk about that in the next video. It's simply a number code for all of these patterns. We'll stick to one of the defaults right here and you can see it's rounded, but it's only because the cap is set like that. So if you want to have straight lines instead of rounded, just change the cap. And right here we have a pattern offset. You can see at the top right, we can move that a little bit. And therefore if you don't want to have these dashes directly at the corner of your element, you can offset it a little bit. So once again, pick a preset right here and then adjust the cap. And this is how you can create dashed outlines in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.